In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to take your voiceovers to sound in something like this. This is a voiceover to now this is a voiceover. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Corey from CNUS Media, and today we're going to be improving the quality of your audio tenfold. Just like color grading, we're going to do some audio grading, all within Premiere Pro, no plugins needed. Let's take a look at this raw clip of me talking. This is a voiceover. First thing we want to do is search for the parametric equalizer. It's found in your filter and EQ effects, and we're going to drag it onto your audio clip. This might look a little strange, but it shows you all the frequencies from your voice from the low to the high end. Go to the drop-down menu and select Vocal Enhancer. Next, we're going to compress our voice. Search for the single band compressor in your effects folder and drag it onto your audio clip. Select the voice thicken from the drop-down menu. What this is essentially doing is squeezing down your audio frequencies together, making the louder parts quieter, the quieter parts louder, and it's just leveling everything out nice and smooth for you. Lastly, you'll want to search for the denoise to help with any harm that the single band compressor may have applied onto your clip. Apply it and play around with the amount, but just don't push it too far. If you're in a pinch and you need to get things done as quickly as possible, there's a super simple way to get a decent sounding grade on your audio. Go to the Audio tab, select your audio clip and hit Dialogue. Under the top drop-down menu, select Podcast Voice. It does a pretty good job as a quick option to get voices sounding nice and crisp. And there you go. And now you have to grade your audio to get the best sounding voiceovers. If you enjoyed or learned anything from this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe as I'll be releasing more videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.